Good morning, students. Welcome to fifth session of first chapter, that is probability. In today's session, we will start with sums based on which last session's terms definitions we did in connected to that. Now, first question, it is this way. There are 10 different slips numbered from 1 to 10 in a box. One slip is taken from it if A is an event of getting an odd number and B is an event of getting a perfect square. Then answer the following questions. Now we are supposed to find here these 6 values. Number 1, sample space. Number 2, event A. Number 3, event B. Number 4, A intersection B and A union B. And 5th is A dash B and B dash A. And 6th is A dash intersection B dash. Now, whenever we get this type of sum in probability or any type of sum but of probability, first thing we always write what is given in the question, like U, that will be or A and B, because these 3 things only are given in this question. So U, that is from 1 to 10 numbers are there written on slips. So your U will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now event A, that is what? Of course, first here it is given, see, one slip is taken. If A is an event of getting an odd number. Now odd numbers obviously from this 1 to 10. So those numbers will be 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. These are the odd numbers. This is event A. Now event B is what? B is an event of getting a perfect square. Now from these 1 to 10, which numbers have got perfect square? That is 1, 2, 3, these are prime numbers. Of course 4, that is perfect square of 2, 2 2s are 4. Same way 5, 6, 7, 8 won't be there. Next is 9, that is perfect square of 3. And 10 obviously it is not there. So now B is 1, 4 and 9. Now these 3 things are given in the question. Now what we are supposed to find? Now first is sample space, which already we have written, A, B. These 3 already we had written. Now A intersection B and A union B. Now do you remember A intersection B is what? That is common values of A and B which are in both. Now 1 it is there, so this 1 we write. Then 3 we don't have, 5 we don't have, 7 we don't have, but of course 9 it is common in both. So A intersection B will be 1 and 9. Next is, that is A union B. Now A union B, you can say the elements which are in A as well as in B, both we write here. We take it with, first we start with 1, that is of A. A 1 1 and it is both, so we will not write 2 times 1, we will write once only. Next is 3. Next 4. We take C in both A as well as B. We go in the sequence order only. So 1, 3, 4, then will be 5, then 7 and 9 of course in both, but we write, as I said, we write once only. So 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9. This will be what? Your A union B. Now next is, that is A dash B. Do you remember A dash B is what? Difference event of A. That shows the elements which are only in A. Now here you can see the elements which are common in A as well as B, that we exclude. We write only elements which are in A. Now see, 1, it is in both, so we will not write that 1. We will take 3, then 5, then 7. Again 9, it is common in both, so we don't write. So your A dash B will be 3, 5, 7. Next, that is B dash A. That means elements which are only in B, not in A. Now here you can see 1, it is there in both. This 4, of course, it is not there in A, so we write. Then last 9, it is again in both, so we will not write. So B dash A will be only 4. This is important. See the elements which are only in B, and A dash B, the elements which are only in A. So here 1 we don't write in this, and 9 we don't write. Rest 3, 5, 7. Here 1 and 9 both are in this, so we write only 4. Now last, that is A dash intersection B dash. This is important and something different. Now see, here values are given, that is A and B. Now here we want intersection of A dash and B dash. So first what we will find, that is A dash and B dash. Now A dash is what? Complementary event of A. That is the elements which are, or you can say other than A from sample space U. Now 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These elements other than this from this sample space U, that will be A dash. So these will be here. These are odd numbers. So obviously which even numbers are, those will be A dash. B dash 1, 4, 9. Except these 3 numbers. Rest all numbers from sample space U. That will be your B dash. So here will be what? 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 10. You can see this 1, 4, 9. This 1, 4 and 9. Except these 3, rest 7 numbers are there, B dash. Now between these two, we want A dash intersection B dash. So between these A dash and B dash, which numbers are common? So here you can see 2 number is common, then 3 is not there, again 4 is not there, yes, 6 is common, then 8 is common and 10 is common. So 2, 6, 8, 10. These 4 numbers are common between A dash and B dash. So that will be A dash intersection B dash. Hope you understand. This is the base, and if you don't understand this, you won't be able to solve further sums, because still we have not started probability sums. These are before that. Our second sum, that is connected with playing cards. Everybody of you must have seen playing cards. Do you know how many total cards are there? 52. Okay. And how many colors? 2 colors are there. One, that is red color, 26 cards. And another, that is black color, which is of again 26. So this way 26 plus 26, total 52 cards. How many suits are there? Those are 4. You can see here, these are the 4 suits, 13 each suit cards. Now this is known as heart. Shape of this is heart. Means first suit, that is heart, which is again of 13 cards. Next, this is diamond. Again, this also is of red color and 13 cards. This is known as club. Now this club, again 13 cards, and finally this is known as spade, and this also is of black color. So total 13, 4 suits, this way 52 cards. Next, this we know it is Ika, but in English we say ace, A-C-E, ace card. This is Ika. Then this is Jack, Queen and King. Now these three are called face cards, and these face cards are total 12, 3 of each suit: Jack, Queen, King, that is of spade, diamond, heart and club. This way total 12 face cards, and rest of 40 cards, those are known as non-face cards, because these words will be used in the sums. So we should know the meaning of these words. That is why I have shown you practically these cards. So here these are 12 face cards and rest 40 non-face cards. Now let us start with the sum. Now question, it is given this way: a card is drawn from a pack of 52 playing cards. One card is drawn from 52 playing cards. If A is an event, that the card is a club, and event B is that it is a face card. Now we are supposed to find A union B and A intersection B. Now here total cards are 52. So sample space U, that will be, of course, we won't write all 52, but of course this way we can show it C1, C2 up to CK, that is king, last card. Same way of spade, S1, S2 up to SK. Same way diamond, 1, 2 up to king, and finally which is left, that is heart, H1, H2 up to HK. So this way total 52 playing cards, that is sample space U. Now event A, it is given already in the question that the card is a club. One card is drawn and that card is club. So how many club cards? 13 club cards. So these all 13 club cards, that will be event A. We write this way C1, C2, C3 up to CK, that is finally club king card. B is what? B is an event that it is a face card. Now how many total face cards? Just now we discussed total 12. All these 12 face cards we write here. We start with club Jack, club Queen and club King. Same way of spade, Jack, spade Queen and spade King. Same way of diamond Jack, diamond Queen and diamond King. And finally heart Jack, heart Queen and heart King. This way total 12 face cards, that is event B. Now we are supposed to find A union B and A intersection B. Now how we find A union B? Now we know very well A as well as B. Total cards whichever are here in this, that all cards we will write is A union B. Only which repeated, that we write once only. Now see, first it starts with A event, club of number 1 to king card. So all these cards obviously will be here in this this, we write this way only. Now, let us start with the B event. Now, B, Jack, Queen and King, that is of club only, which is already in this, so no need of writing it again. Next, that is of spade, Jack, spade, Queen and spade, King. Same way of diamond, Jack, diamond, Queen and diamond, King. Same way, heart, Jack, heart, Queen and heart, King. So this way, these are the elements of A union B. Now next and last in this, that is A intersection B. From these two, which are common. Now here you can see the spade, diamond or heart, which face cards are there. Those are not in event A. But club cards, here 13 cards. But in B only 3, Jack, Queen and King. That is of club. So, CJ, that is club of Jack, club of Queen and club of King. These 3 only cards are common between A and B. So that will be A intersection B. So this way A union B and A intersection B. These are the sample points of these two. Next sum is where A1 is given -1, 0 and 1, while A2 where the value of x is 1, 2 and 3. Based on these two values, we are supposed to find A1 union A2, A1 intersection A2. Now it's very simple. Again, A1 and A2, union of that, whichever values are there in both, we have to write. Only important is which values are repeated, don't write that. Now here -1, it starts with -1, 0, 1, 1 is common, so we write ones only, 2 and 3. So this way, -1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Here, next is A1 intersection A2. Now common between these two, it's what? Only 1, because here -1, 0 and here is 2 and 3. So only 1 is the common between these A1 and A2. That is A1 intersection A2. Now next question. It is quite similar but a little bit complicated. Now question, it is given this way, where the A1 is equal to value of x lies between 0 and 1, and A2 is value of x lies between half, but this half is even included and 2. This is important. See, less than equal to means value of x of course lies between half and 2, but here equal to sign is there, means half is also included, and here equal to sign is not there, so 2 is not included, but between half to 2. So how we find again in that A1 union A2 and A1 intersection A2. Now A1 union A2, it's too simple because the values, minimum value is 0 and highest value is 2. Between these two, which values are there, that only we will write. Of course, here x value lies between 0 less than x less than 2. Starts with 0, equal to sign is not there, so we have not written here. Here also equal to sign is not there, so we write less than 2. So value of x lies between 0 to 2, that is minimum and maximum. This is simple. Now important is A1 intersection A2. Now for that, here I have shown with diagram. You can see 0, half, 1 and 2. These values I have written. Now A1 is from 0 to 1. So this is the area. Okay. Now A2 is from half to 2. Of course half is also included, but from half to 2. Now we want the common area of this A1 and A2. From this diagram, we can see very easily. You can see half and 1. These two are of A1 also as well as A2. So, the A1 intersection A2, this area only, that is half, but again this is less than equal to, because this half also is included. So we write less than equal to x less than 1, because here it lies from half to 1. So value of x less than equal to half, x less than 1. This is what? A1 intersection B1. This area only will be there. So this is the way how we solve. Today's homework. Probability chapter only. Now so many sums are there, so I have not written, but you refer your textbook, page number 14, exercise 1.1, from question number 6 to question number 15. Number of sums are more, but short sums. Please try and do it. It will help you to understand the sums based on probability. So this is an end of this session. See you in next session tomorrow. Thank you.